5 useful tips for managing your anxiety. Tip number 1: watch for your triggers. If you know what triggers your anxiety, you can then effectively plan your day around them. If there are times throughout the day that you know your anxiety is likely to be triggered, plan timeouts, or periods of exercise during these times. Tip number 2: start exercising. Regular daily exercise has many benefits, including helping to alleviate the debilitating symptoms of anxiety. If you haven't made regular exercise a habit in your life, it's time you start. You don't have to spend hours in the gym. Even a short walk around the block every day can significantly impact your life and decrease your anxiety. Tip number 3: take some time to breathe. When your symptoms of anxiety start to rear their ugly head, taking some time alone to breathe can be highly effective in managing your anxiety. Deep breathing exercises can help to calm your heart and help you instantly feel at peace. It can also aid in our ability to make rational decisions. Tip number 4: talk to someone you trust. You don't have to suffer in silence. Reach out to someone who will treat you with understanding and kindness. If you don't have any support at home, or with friends, then you can look up local support groups near your home or place of business. Tip number 5: understand that you're in control. While it may not feel this way when you're in the midst of a panic attack, it is essential to understand that you have the power of your life. Even if you feel trapped, or out of control, you have to realize that you have control over every decision that you make in your life. Subscribe to us and follow our social media at Mind Body Mental for more information, facts and resources on all things mental health.